Instagram account without name or having any details about the person, without knowing the person account personally and want to know the person. What you have to do is to try to get the person's picture or image, or if you already have the or image on your phone, and if you want to just get the DM the person, this is what you have to do. First of all, you have to go to your phone menu. But before we start, please tap on the subscribe button, like video, share the video with your friends. And what you have to do is to just scroll and search for Google Play Store. So just try to search for Google Play Store. Where is Google Play Store? Google Play Store, Google Play Store. Okay, so this is Google Play Store, Google Lens, and when you search for Google Lens, you're going to get this result. So what you have to do is to tap on open to open it, and those who are already having this Google Lens, you're going to see it over here like this. This is Google Lens. Okay, this is the search bar, and next is the microphone, and the next is Google Lens. So just have a look at it well. So if you want to set someone's Instagram account, what you have to do is tap over here, or you can just go to Google Play Store and search. Then after that, you tap on open. Do you get me? So let me tap on the Google Lens. So this is it. I don't know the reason why this thing is so blurry. Let me get it closer. It's so blurry. Oh my god. Okay, let me do it this way. Okay, so that's it. It just appeared. So you tap on this Google Lens over here. So when you tap on the Google Lens, what you are going to see is this. You can search with your camera, or if you already have the picture, you just scroll like this. Then you try to find the one who you want to search your Facebook profile. So let's say we want to search this Instagram profile. So you just tap on the picture like this. Then after that, you wait. As you can see, it's searching. And after searching, you're going to get the results over here. So you just have to scroll, and as you can see, this is the Instagram account. It's going to appear like this. Then you tap on it. Do you get me? So that's how it is. So when you want to get the person's you want to DM the person, just tap on the profile pic like this. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap over here, which is the visit. So tap on the visit. Then after that, you're going to see that it's going to send you to your Instagram account automatically without you logging into your Instagram account. It's going to just send you there. Then after that, you are going to get information about the person. Do you get me? So it's very, very, very easy. So T visit. So that is it. Okay, so you can even use the person's name and search it over here. So when you get a person's name over here on the internet like this, as you can see, this is what Instagram. So what you have to do is to just use your finger like this. So don't tap on the share. Use your finger to just tap on it like this for some while. Then after that, you just have to copy the name over here. So or you can tap on the share over here. Then after that, you copy this address. Then after that, you share it on Instagram, or you can also search for Instagram over here. Then you tap on the Instagram to search for Instagram, and I'm sure maybe you're going to get a person